how you can browse your internet without any internet connection or any Wi-Fi. Can you use it? Believe me guys, you can do it. And how? In this video I'm going to talking with you about. This is Mama Sajidz back in Sajidz Take. So before just starting that video, there are a bit request from me guys. If you're not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe. And if you do so still not so, this video I really dedicated for you. So without further ado, let's get started with that video. So guys, for that first of all you need to install an app in your Android mobile phone, and that app is really worked. So for here, go to the Google Play Store, and from here you need to go to search here like browse offline, and here guys this is the app that you need to install. And after just installing it, you need to open up it there in your mobile phone. Now click on the got it. You need to on your internet connection for the first time, and otherwise you need to do it. So here guys, my internet connection is on. Now from here you need to click on this I button to get this specific website that you want to read it in the offline mode. Now click on this I button, and from here I'll search here like Pratham Alo, a website, and here this website I want to take down in the offline. So from here you need to go to on that Pratham Alo there, and after that here guys you can see that this is the website. Now from here you need to click on this download button from here, and here give the title of that specific website name as you wish. And from here you need to check it, always check for new version of image, download multimedia and flashes, and from here download external links. So here whenever you get an internet connection, that time it will update it automatically, and here you can do it as you wish. So here it is. Now click on this download, and here guys now click on the cross to see that whether it's downloading or not, and here guys it's downloading. So how many file it contains you can also see it there. And now we will wait for a while to get this thing downloaded. So here guys you can see that this whole website is downloaded. Now you can do it. So from here I'll off all the thing from here. Now I also off this internet connection from here too, and there have no any internet connection. You can see it in my Wi-Fi, and here it's also mobile data is off. Now from here you can see it, go to in this offline browser again, and from here go to on that app, and here it's loading all the files. And now guys you can see that all the news one by one, and here you can also go on that specific news too, and here by that way you can also browse internet without any network. But there have a specification for you guys. You can't browse Facebook or other social media like YouTube. You can't watch videos like YouTube platform, and you can use Facebook. So here you have to remember that you can use this type of large where have no any limitation of data, but here guys this type of website here have a limited data, so you can use it. So here from I can say that you can make YouTube browsing or Facebook browsing, but otherwise if you want to get any other site portal, that time you can go it. And by that way you can browse internet in your mobile phone without any network connection. Now here guys it's your turn to verify it whether it's working or not in your mobile phone. Guys you can get satisfied it by this service. That time I request you, please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends, and so on guys. So no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.